Alright friends, let us begin by removing the saddlebags from both sides of the motorcycle. Next, take off the motorcycle seat. Then, remove the side panels on both sides. Now take the expansion nuts from the parts kit and install them at the locations shown in the video. Take out the heat shield and secure it to the motorcycle. On the other side, install the heat shield using the same method. Now, let us move on to wiring. Take the control switch and wire harness from the parts kit. Connect the yellow wire to the middle terminal of the control switch, the black wire to the terminal with letters, and the red wire to the other terminal. Attach the mounting bracket to the control switch, then install the switch on the inner side of the handlebar. You can choose to mount it on the left or right side based on your preference. Organize the wire harness as shown in the video, and then connect the organized wire harness to the fan wire harness. Secure the fan at the 2 fixation points indicated in the video. This part might be a bit tricky, so please take your time and be patient. Loosen the screw shown in the video and secure the negative wire of the harness. Open the fuse box, take out the 15A fuse, fix the positive wire under the 15A fuse, and then close the fuse box. Now, turn on the switch and check if the fan operates properly. After confirming everything is working, reinstall the motorcycle seat, both side panels, and the saddlebags.